Hi, I'm Christina of Travels with Ted. Here are 5 quick ways to redecorate your RV interior. We fully remodeled our RV interior, but these simple decorating ideas don't require any paint or construction skills. We use these simple magnetic frames to hang wall art in our RV. The frames come in a variety of sizes and are super lightweight. The magnetic design allows you to change out the poster or artwork as frequently as you like. A small vanity stool is a practical addition to any RV interior. It is an easy way to add a pop of color, and it has dual purposes. It works great as a footstool and as extra seating when you have guests. Throw pillows are the easiest way to add color, personality, or seasonal touches to your RV. Get pillows with removable covers so you can change them out for different holidays. Peel and stick tile backsplash is another way to easily decorate your RV. We use snazzy decal sticker tiles, and they have held up great for over 6 years. Finally, a chalkboard wall is another way to decorate your RV seasonally. If you don't want to paint a wall, you can buy a chalkboard sticker instead. We hope you enjoyed these easy DIY RV decorating ideas. See the link in the description for more information. Happy camping!